Hello friends, my name is Icholia and today I'm going to show you how we can create a website without coding, and this is a beginner guide. Okay, so what I want to do is to show you the kind of a website I've already created, and then we are going to recreate it. Okay, this is the website I've created, so you can see here. I'll show you how to create this part here. I'll also show you how to put all this part here, tickers. I'll show you how to create everything you see from this website, everything, even all of this I'm going to show you. Also, I'm going to show you how I created this page. You see, I'll put this photo here. I'm going to show you even the best hosting company in Kenya. It's called Deep Africa. I'm also going to show you how to create all this part, okay, and how to embed this call to action. I'm also going to show you all of this, okay, this one, also how to put all this. I'm going to show you everything step by step. Okay, so without ado, let's begin our tutorial. So the first thing you do, you need to go to wordpress.com, not .com, it's .org, and then you will download WordPress. I'll put links in the description. So for now, what we are going to do, I'm just going to click on my computer, then I go to my download, and then I will locate my WordPress. My WordPress 5.4 is here, so I'll right click on it, then I say extract file, then I go to C, then I go to XAMPP. Also, you will need XAMPP. Actually, XAMPP is a local host whereby you can use it to view your website or to make your website live, but it will not be direct to the internet, but it will be just a local host. Okay, so I'll click here on XAMPP like this, then I locate HDDoc. In fact, I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can see another video that I worked on this. So click there, so we wait it to extract. Fine, now it has extracted. So the next thing we need to do, we need to go to, again, see, we locate where there is XAMPP like that, HDDoc. So this is our WordPress now, the one we did what, the one we extracted. So we are going to rename it. So we click here, then we say rename. So I'm going to write this IK Digital, but let me put this one in small letter, IK Digital. Okay, like that, then we enter it. So inside here we are also going to create what, we are going to create what we call our, in fact, let me show you first. We will come here to, then we click here, then we go to localhost, just click on localhost like that, then we come here to phpMyAdmin, we click here, we wait it to load. It is taking some small minute to load. Alright, now from here we are going to create our what, we are going to create our database name. Okay, so we say it's a new database, then we click here IK Digital. Okay, then we create our database. Okay, so this is our database here, it is written IK Digital. So from here we are going back to our WordPress location, which is this one. So we click here, and then we look at this WP config sample. Okay, so we double click on it, we wait it to open like this. Now this is where we are going to determine our what, our database, so that later on when we run in our local host, our website will be able to be previewed. So we click here the database name. You remember our database name was IK Digital like that. Okay, then again we need to determine the username. So here the username here we write it root like that, and then the password, we leave our password empty. So we select this one, then we delete. Then now we come and click file, save as. So here we click here, we select this one down, and then we remove the word sample and the dash, and then we leave that dot, then we click save. Now our database is saved. So let's find out if it is okay. So you come localhost, then we click here, we write here IK Digital. We wait it a bit. It's still running. You can see it is still running. Okay, now we are in. This is now our WordPress, and WordPress is having a lot of languages. Everybody is using WordPress. So we are going to select English because that's the language we understand. So we click this one to continue. Then here the site name. So the site name we write IK. So it's IK and then digital, like so. Then we select admin. We will leave our name to be admin, and then the password also to be admin. But I advise you, if it's your real website, you will not put that one. You have to look for a very good password. Okay, so we click here confirm, then we write the email. The email is ikdigital@gmail.com. okay, so we say install. Now we are installing our WordPress. We wait it to install. Successful. Okay, it is now successful. So we say login. Now we click login so that we can see our web. Now this is what we call a dashboard. Okay, this is the back end of WordPress. Then if I click here and I say visit a website, so you can see this is how our website now looks. Okay, it's not that good, but I'm going to work on it until it looks like this one. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly everything until when it is like this. Okay, fine, let's continue. So this is the dashboard. So what we need to do, we dismiss this one. This is what we call house cleaning. So you click here. Now it is looking very smooth. Okay, now the first thing we need to do, we need to create our pages. Okay, so we add here to pages, say all pages. Now we don't need this one, so we click here, or we just click there, then you say move to trash, then you apply. Now all of it is also, I can click here trash, then I click all of this again, then I click delete permanently, then I apply. So we are deleting everything like that. So now let's add our pages. So the first page we are going to add, let's reference our website. It is home. So we are going to write here home. So we publish again. So we add a new page. The next page is hosting. So we click here hosting, then we publish again. Let me close this one. So the next page is, we have resources. So we add new page, resources. Okay, then we publish, click publish again. Then the next page is what? The next page is tutorial. Okay, So we add a new page again. Tutorials, then we publish, then we go to Pro Surfaces and Contact. So this one, Pro Surfaces, we publish, okay. So we click another one. This one is tutorials, then we publish, then we add another one. This is contact. I think this is our last page. Publish like that. So now if we refresh our website, you can see our pages now are here. Okay, our pages are here. Are you getting me? They are here. So what we need to do, we are going to rearrange them. So we come here, then we go to all pages. So I'm going to trash this one because they appear too. Then we are remaining with these ones. Okay, this is our all pages. Okay, fine. Now the next step, we go to appearance and we go to menu. Click here on menu. So we need to create our menu. Okay, so we click here, and then I'll just select this one because I had already referenced it. So it is menu, then we create it. Okay, now I'm going to select all of it, view all of it like that. Then I'll select all of it, then I'll add to our menu. So you can see there here. So this one is a link, we don't need this link. So what we do, we remove it like that, and then we are going to rearrange it. Okay, I'm going to start with the home. Okay, as you can see here, home, hosting, resources, and so forth. So we are going to home, then we come to home, and then hosting, resources, and then let me reference tutorial, and then Pro Surfaces. Tutorial, Pro Surfaces, and then contacts. So from here now we are going to select where are we going to put these menus. Okay, are you getting me? So we can select from here, but if you see our website, it has already taken it automatic. Okay, this is how it is. So let's do I can leave it like that first. So let's save it. Now the next thing I need to do is to go to our appearance, then themes. So you can see we have how many themes we have here: 2017, 2019, and then 2020. For me, I don't need this, so I'll need to delete all of them. Even this one I'm deleting. Now from here I'm going to add new. Click here to add new, and then I'm going to search. All of these are themes. Okay, these are themes provided by WordPress. Okay, but the one I need to use is called Astra. So I'll click here, the one I need to use is called Astra. So this is the theme I need to use. So I'm going to install this one. We wait it to install. let me close some of the things here. It is still installing. We just be patient, and then we will see. Okay, it has finished, so we need to activate it, and then I'm going to show you my website now, the way it looks. As you can see, this is how it looks, but if we refresh here like this, you can see it has changed. Okay, it has changed a bit, right? So we need to go and rearrange this one again. So we come back here, we go to menu, and then we need to rearrange. So we are going to select it to primary menu the way it is, and then we say save. We wait it. Then if we see our website now, it is starting with the home, hosting, resources, and so forth. Okay, now from here, the next thing we need to do, we need to install our plugins. Okay, plugins are like apps. I know most of us have telephones, smartphones I mean, so they are like those apps. They just add functionality to our website. Okay, so let's go to plugins, then let's see install plugins. As you can see, we have this one, Akismet and Dolly. I don't need them, so I'll click here, and then I'll say deactivate. I apply it, then I'll click here again, then I'll say delete, say OK. So we need to install new plugin, so we will click here on this part, add new. So the first plugin I'm going to install is called Classic Editor. It is here, this one here. Okay, so we will install this one. Install this one. We wait this one to install, and then we activate it. Okay, it has activated. So the next plugin is called Elementor. Okay, let's search here Elementor. And if you don't know what is Elementor, Elementor is a page builder. Okay, it helps you to build your website. It is a drag and drop. You don't need to code. All you need to do is just to drag and then you drop. You drag and you drop. So let's install it. We wait it to install. It is still installing. Let's wait it. Let's wait it to install. If you can see here, this plugin has been installed by 5+ million people. Okay, and it was updated 3 weeks ago. You can see this is the best drag and drop page builder actually. Okay, all of these are plugins. Okay, so we wait it to install. It is taking some time, but it will be okay. You see, this is how our website looks like now. Go back. Okay, now we activate it. Let's activate. Now it is here. It is already activated, so we cancel this one, and also we make that one to look like that. Now the next thing we need to do, we need to go to setting, and we go to reading. So here we need to determine our page, the one if people come to visit your website, you need to determine a page. It's like a landing page whereby people will just come and see that page. So we click here, and then we select it here, home. Okay, then we save it. Then the next thing, we need to click here on permalinks. Then we select post name like that. Okay, then we save. Alright, now let's check our website again. This is how our website now looks, but we are going to transform it to look like this. Okay, it is going to look like this. Okay, now too much of talking, let's now begin. Okay, the first thing we need to do now, we go to pages, click to all pages. Now we need to start with our home. This is our home, so we edit it, and then here we will come to this part here. Then we say template, we select Elementor full width, then we click here again, we click on this part here, we disable the titles, then we update. Now that's it. So let's now click on edit with Elementor. Alright, now we need to begin now designing our website. Okay, Elementor has a lot of I don't know what I can tell you. This one is elements. It has a lot of elements. Let's use the word element. A lot of elements, and then again if you click here, it has a lot of sections. All these are sections. You can put 1 section, 2, 3 and 4, and these are elements. You can put a video element, button, spacer. There are many here. I'll show you how we are going to work on it. Okay, now the first thing I need to do, if you see here, we have a big image, the background, then we have these wordings, we have button, and then we have this image. So we need to create like so. We click on this one like that, and then inside here we are going to create what? We are going to create these wordings. Okay, so we click here, then we click on this part, this rubies like this, then you click on heading. No, first before we click on heading, we need to click 2, not 1. It's actually 2 like this, because we need to put this wording and this image. It is 2 actually. So from here we are going to click this rubies, then we click on this image, then we click here. Now let's see here, it is dream, create and succeed. So we type here, dream, create and then succeed. Oh, that's the wrong spelling. Succeed like that. Okay, then after this we need to enlarge it. So we come here to style, then we go to typography, and then we select our font. The font I'm going to use is called Poppin, like that, and then we are going to use something like 60, like so. Okay, and then now the next thing we need to do, we need to click here again, and then we bring this text editor, we type down here. So I'm going to be copying some of the things. So professional designed website, blah 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 blah. So I'm going to paste this one here. Okay, like that. Then the next thing we need to do is to put two buttons. Okay, so what I need to do, I'll come and click here, then I'll take this inner section, put it down here like that. Then we need to click on this rubies, then we click on this one button, we bring it here. Okay, as you can see the way the button has come. So let's see, create a website. So we type here, create a website. Okay, and then once we have created this one, we will copy and then we transfer here. So the next thing we need to do, now it is come here to style, from the style here, as you can see, our buttons, they are round. So we click here. I'm going to put here 20 like that, and then the color we created earlier here, so I'm going to use my color picker. Then I'll just click on this one, and then I'll copy this. I'll copy this so that I can reference exactly. So the background color, then I'll just put my, you can see the way it is like that, and then again the inside color here. Oh, this one we can use just any color, but I think I'll get the color of, no, yes, like that. Then this one is this. So first, when we are clicking this one, I'll just click here so that it can appear, so that we can continue using it from time to time. Then the text color, I'm going to click this one, and then I'll bring it until, let's say there. Then also we are going to click on it like that. So it is now becoming simple. If I want to create this other button, I'll just right click on this one, then I say duplicate. I'll drag this one, bring it here. Then you see what is happening here. So what I need to do, I'll just drag this part like this, near like that. Then this part here, we will have to edit this one. This one is saying Pro Web Surfaces, or we can just write Pro Surfaces. Okay, let's click here, and then we write Pro Surfaces like that. Right, now this part we need to put an image. Okay, so we will click here, then we select an image like so. Then I'm going to select my image. I'll select the image here. I'll go to my download. No, actually it is just here. Supposed to be on my desktop. Yeah, see here. So this is the image. I'll click on it, then I'll insert. So this is our image. Okay, the way it is, this is our image. So the next thing we need to do, we are going to put another background image. You can see there is a background image here, so let's do it. So I'll come and click here, then I go to style. From the style, I'll click on this part, brush icon like this. Then I'll select an image, upload an image, select the file, then it is on our download. This is the image. I'll open it. We wait it to load, then we insert. You can see now the way it is. Okay, don't worry, we are going to work on it, you'll be happy. Then from here we are going to background overlay. So click on the background overlay, then we say gradient, select the gradient. So we are going to take this one, let's use this one, right? Why is it jumping? Take this one, then we are using a red one, exactly the exact red. Then I'm going to put it like this. Okay, now here we need to select the location. How will it look like? Okay, and then the angle. We need it this way. This is the way we need it, like so. Yes, let's say like that. Then we upload. So now if we check our website, let's see so far what we have made. This is what we have made, but it's still it is still very far. So you can see here they don't look very well. So let's change the color. Let's change this one, the color to be white. Also this one we change the color to be white also, like that. Then we update. As you can see, this one is so squeezed, so I'm going to click here, then I say content, then we come here to height, this part written height, then we select mini height. That's our height, so we say okay. Let's see, it is still very small, so we come back here, and then let's make this one 600, like that is okay. Then we update. Now let's see our website. Yes, this is how it looks now, but still I'm going to bring this part down a bit so that they can be in the same line with this image. So let's again click here, and then we click on this column, and then we come here to vertical alignment, we click here, then we say middle. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. Then we update. Anytime you do anything in your website, you need to update, okay? Remember that. Then this one, let's see the typography, so it's also popping, and then the size should be 16. I like it 16. You can choose any size you like it, but for me I like 16. So I'll click here again. We see our website how it looks now. Yes, that's how it looks now. Looks very good, like that. Okay, so let's continue. So we need now to recreate this part here. So we come here, then we click on this part, and then we go to style, then from style we go to border. From border, then we are going to select, no, not there, it is a shape divider. So where are we going to put it? We are going to put it on the bottom, exactly this part here. So we click here, and then we select mountain, so you can see the way it is. That's how it is now. And then we put the color, so we select here, then we are going to use which color? Let's use this color, like that. Good. Okay, like this. And then even the width, we can decide the height to be, let's say 120. Then we update. But if you can see here, let's see from the front end. If you see here, it is touching our image. We don't want it to touch our image. So what we are going to do, we click here again, and then we click this part. So we go to advanced, click on advanced, then we say padding. So we put only the top and the bottom. So the top, let's say we are putting 60, and then the bottom also we put 60. Now you see it is now looking beautiful. Then we update it. That's it. Now let's see this part. This is the part now we need to create, this part here. So we will put an image here, and then this take us, okay, to showcase our skills and what we are going to do. So what I'm going to do, let me first copy this text like that, then I'm going to click here, then also I'll click on this part, then I'll do 2 like we did earlier. So this one will be having an image, so I'll click here, and then I select the image. Sorry, I'll put here the image, then I'm going to select the image. In fact, what I will do, let me just select all my images so that it can be very simple for me just to get all the images within. Okay, let's put all our images here so that it can be very simple for us. So they are still updating. I've still uploaded inside the media library. So from here we will work smoothly. So while it is still uploading, let's check which kind of image is it. Okay, it is this image, so we will come here. It is one of these. So I'm going to select this one, then I will insert. This is our image now. Okay, this is our image. So the next thing we need to do, we need now to work on this part because our image is already in. So let's work on this part. On this part, what I did, I put what we call let me it is a progressive bar. So this is a progressive bar, so we are going to put it here, one, like that. Now let's see, it is web design, but before that we need to put this part here. Okay, so what we will do, we will click on this and then put on an heading here, then we paste our, okay, like that. Then we are going to edit this one. So this one, the first one is what? The first one is web design and SEO. So we are going to delete this one. So we will type here web design, web design, like that. And then I'm going to duplicate this one, and then this one I'm going to type this one SEO. Let me check exactly. It is SEO support, SEO support, SEO support. And then the other one is software development and design and branding. Okay, so we are going also to copy this one, we duplicate, we also duplicate. So we are going to click on this one, then we edit. This one is software development, software development. And then this one we will say it is graphic design and branding, and branding. Alright, so we have already achieved this part. It's just very small things we are going to edit. So let's check here. This one is 89, and then it is success. Okay, so we click on this one, then it is said 89, and then type is success, like that. Now the other one is 95, SEO support is 95, and it is danger SEO. So we type here 95, and then the color is danger, like that. And then software development is 80, and the other one is 75, 80, 75. So this one is 80, and then it is info, like that. And then this one is 75, and then it is warning, like that. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Then this one is black, our color. So what we need to do, we click on this, and then we go to style. From the style we select the color, and then this is our color. No, not that one, not that one. It is for title. It is the title that we are putting this color, like that. Then we update. So the next thing we need to do is just copy this one, click here, paste the style. Also click here, you paste the style. Also this one we paste the style, like that. But if you see, this one is up, and then we need to put this one in the middle. So we will click here like what we did earlier, and then we go to vertical alignment, then we say it is in the middle. So that's how it is. Then there is a line somewhere here. So first let's change this one. Go to style, text color. This is our color, like that. Then we update, and then there is a line divider. So I'm going to click here, then I'll bring this divider there. Then it is solid, then I'm going to reduce it like so. Okay, we click here, then the color, let's select this color, and then the weight. Okay, let me click here again. The weight should be 4, like so. Then we update it. Okay, let's check our website. Voila, this is how our website looks now. Okay, let's continue. So we put some padding here on top and bottom. Okay, click here, click on this part, we go to advanced padding. First we have to unlink this one. Top, let's put 60, and then the bottom also we put 60. Then we update. Okay, let's continue. Now this is the part we are going to create. If you launch your website today, what will happen? And then we put this part. Okay, let's continue. So we click here, then here we click one part like that, and then we come to our text. So we click on this text. I'm just going to copy from here. Okay, I'll copy just this one. I paste here, then I'll put it in the middle like so. Then again we click on this text. We will head it later on. Then I'll copy also this one. Then we will also take this one, we will align center like so. So we remember our color. So we can see here we have the background, it's a gradient background. So let's do that. What we are going to do, we click here, we click on this part, and then we go to style. From style go to gradient, and then we select our color like that. Also this one, we are going to select this color of ours like that. Now if you see, the red part is on your right hand, and then the other bluish is on your dark navy blue is on your left hand. So let's do it. So we say location, not like that, not like that. Yes, this is what we need. Like that. Now you can see it is squeezed. So we come here, then we go to height. So we select mini height like so. I guess that's how big it is really. Yes, that's how big it is, like so. Then we change this one to be white. Select white. Also this one we select it, text color, we select it white like so. Now if you see here, this one's then we have this divider. So for this divider, I can even decide to copy this one, edit, then I duplicate, and then I'm going to carry this one, then I put it here like so. Then I say center it, just like that. Then we are going to edit this one. So typography, let's say this one will be 50. Good. And then this part I'm going to advance, and then I'll say padding, say 20. Let's unlock it. Right, let's say 60, and then the left also will be 60. Okay, 60 is small. Let's put 100. 100, and then this one also 100. Oh, I've put 1,000 like this. Exactly, this is what we are looking for. Then we update it. Okay, we update it like so. As you can see, we need to add the bottom part. So we go back to the bottom. Let's put also 100 on the bottom like this. There is a reason to why I'm putting like that. You will see in a minute. So we update like so. Alright, let's now come to this part. Okay, let's put these images. Right, continue. So the first thing, we click here, we put 3 sections like that. Then we will look for image box, or we click on this part and then we type on image. So the image box is here, so we are going to drag it. You see, it's just drag and drop. We drag it like that. Let's check the picture. Okay, so right, so we click on this one. Where is that photo? Where is that photo? It's this one. So we insert. If you see here, it is very small, so we come here to style, and then we say the width should be 100 like so. Okay, it should be like that. And then here, this heading, what does the heading say? Let's say content. So this heading, it says modern eye-catching web design. So I'm going to copy this, and then we paste it here. Come like that. So we are going to reduce it a bit, size. So we will reduce it. Spacing like that. Then we come here to content. Let's first see the typography. So we click on content, and then typography. Let's reduce this one. Yes, let's make it 19. And then the weight, typography, then the weight. The weight, let's put let's put it 700 like that. And then you remember our color. Our color, this is it. No, not that one. Not there. This is the color we need to change. So we go back to content. I don't know why the color is hiding now. Oh, it's that one. So we paste it there. Then there is something else I need to do. So if you see this one, there is an overlay here. Okay, a background color. So we will click here and click on this one. Then we go to style. Not style, actually, it's advanced. So we come here to border, and then border shadow. This is the part. So you see now, but we don't need that color, we need our color. Click our color like that. So we click it that way. Then I need to put some gaps all around. So we come here to advanced. Then the padding, say 20. Let's say margin. Yes, we can leave it like this. Maybe let's leave it like this. And then the next thing we need to do is just copy. We duplicate this one, and then we drag it here. And then also we duplicate this one, we drag it here like that. Okay, Then we are going to change this photo. It was which one is that? Let me check. Okay, this one. Then we insert, and then it says expert SEO. Okay, select this one, we paste this one here, expert SEO, and then we also need to change this one. This one is this one. Insert like so. What does it say? It says graphic and branding, graphic design and branding. So we click here, and then we double click on this one, we paste like so. So the next thing we need to do, I'm going to align this one so that it can be in the same position. So we click on this, and come here to style, content, then we go to typography. Let's say content, then typography. Let's reduce it to be 16 maybe. Yes, 16. Then we paste and update it. Let's check our website. Oh, that's how our website looks like. But now we need to push this one up to be somewhere here. So what we do, we click on this, then I'm going to click on this part, then we go to advanced, and then we type here 100, but in front we'll put it is minus. Okay, so you see how it is. That's how it is now. Okay, then we update. Let's check our website. Yes, the problem why we are not seeing the bottom is just because we did not put what we did not put the bottom to be also 100. So the bottom will not negative. The bottom, let's first unlink it. This one will be negative, and then the bottom will not be negative. Okay, we update it. Let's check our website. Yes, now you can see the bottom of it. That's how it is. So let's continue. Whom we have worked with. So that is it. So let me copy this one. So we are going to click on this, take one, and then I'm going to click here, put an heading like that, then I paste this, then I center it, then I go to style. From the style I select the color. That's our color. We update. Then again we are going to put another element there, because you see we have these logos. We are going to put another element there. So I'm going to click here, and then I will say image carousel. We look for image carousel. Where is it? Image. It's here, image carousel. Then I'll put it down there. But before I put that one, again we are going to duplicate this one, and then I'll bring it here, down here, like so. Okay, then our image now, our image carousel. So I'm going to add it, upload. I select them on my desktop. Is it on my desktop really? First let me locate so we are selecting the logos, desktop, and then there is this one. So we are going to select this one, this one, this one, this one, even this one, even this one. Let's select all of it, then we open. Alright, so we are going to insert them. So we create it, then we insert. You can see the way they are. So let's so this is how they are now, like that. So we can update it. Let's see our website now. So far where we have reached. Alright, that's how it is now. Okay, so this is some of the people we have worked with, but I'm going to reduce this one. Let's reduce this one, it's big. Like that. I think that way is okay. Then we continue. So we are putting this one, project executed, award won, and then API client. Okay, so let's work on it. So that part, if I want to do that part quickly, what I'll do, I'll just click here, and then I'll save it as a template. Then I'll write it CTA, call to action, then I save it. Okay, now that part is okay. So I'll just come and click here, select template, and then I will insert this template. Then I say yes, like this. So this is how it is now. This is how it is. So what I'll do, I'm going to delete this. And then here I'm going to enter 3. So what I'll do, I'll just come here, click here, and then I'll enter this section, and then again I'll duplicate so that there can be 3 of them. This one, duplicate, there are now 3. Okay, so what I will do, I just put here counter. Okay, this is a counter. So you just click here, then I'll click here, then I'll say counter it is here. So I'll select this one. Now we will just work on this, and then we copy and duplicate on the rest of the parts. So I'll do this one faster, 1650. So I'll write as 1650. Starting number, I'll make it 1000. Make it 1000. Then here I'm going to choose the color. Let's say I'm going to choose a different color, like that. Then go back to content. So this is, let's say this is a project executed. So we write here project executed, projects executed. So I didn't add this color. That's okay. Title, so we select the same color, we update like that. Then I'll duplicate this one, then I'll bring it here. Then this one is award. So there are only how many? Let's say we have won 20 award. Start from 9. Okay, we update that one. Then let's check the other one. This one is 2650. So I'll just duplicate this one. then I'll bring it here. So 2650, then plus 2650, then we write here plus, and then down here is happy clients, like that. Let's check our website now. You see, but this part looks very big, eh? So what we are going to do, we need to reduce this part. Instead 400, I'm going to put it 300, like that. Then I update. Now it is looking good. It's looking good. So another thing I need to do, I need to save another part. So I'm going to save also this part. Save as template. So we write here header. I'll show you later on. We are going to use it. Alright, let's check our website now. That's how our website looks like now. Okay, let's continue. So we go to hosting. Hosting, here we have nothing. Okay, so this is the other part we are going to build now. So let's check how hosting looks like. Alright, this is how hosting looks like. Fine, let's get into it. So I'll click here, close it. So from here we are going to exit from the dashboard, like that. Then we will come here to pages. Then we are now going to create hosting. So we click here, we edit it. The same we did, template, full width, disable titles, then we update. Then from here we are now going to do what we edit with Elementor. Now you remember I told you we are going to use something. Now this is the time now. Okay, so I'll click on this part, then we go to my template, and then it is header. We insert the header, say yes. Alright, you can see now the way it is. Let it update. This is how it is. But if you see here, it's looking different. So first let me copy this. So this one we are going to delete. We delete this. Even we are deleting this, and then we are adding text here. So we put it there like this. Then I paste the text we have copied. We center it. Come here. This one we select white. Typography, this one we are putting it 60, like that. Okay, now we are going again to put some other text. So this is other text we are going to put. So we copy again. Of course I don't have time to type again because I have already done this. We are just copying, but for you, you are going to type. But my advice to you is to work on it first before even you start doing these things, like that. And then let's check. Okay, now the color we make it white. Okay, then we go to advanced. From advanced, padding, the right parts we put 100, and then the left part also we put 100. 100 looks small. Let's say 120. 120. I think 120 is okay. Really? No, not really. Let's do 150. 150. 150. 150. Yeah, 150 will do. So and then we update it. But if you see here, the picture looks different. Okay, the picture is different. So what I will do, come here, we click on this part, we go to style, then where are you? No, I've clicked the wrong part. So we click on this part, style, yeah, then we come on this one. Then I'm going to upload my image. I select it, it is on my download. I don't see the image. Where are you? Sitting on my desktop or where? Let me check the image first. No, it is on my download. It is this one. Open it. So we are inserting. Boom, that's how our image looks like now. But as you can see here, it's not that looking, our letters are not looking very good. So but we are going to do the overlay again. The overlay, we are going to do the overlay. Let's add the opacity. I'm putting the opacity to be something like that. Then I update it. Then these dividers here, we don't need these dividers now. So bottom, we select none. Okay, it's bottom, we select none. That's how it will look. Let's now check our website. Voila, voila, voila. But it's looking somehow very big. So what we need to do, we will reduce it. So come here, click on this, and then we go to the minimum height. Let's make it 400. Yes, like that. 400 is good. 400 is good. It is tamam. Like that. Yes, this is what I want exactly. Okay, now let's continue. We have the best hosting company in Kenya, Deep Africa. Okay, this is exactly what I normally use to host my website and my client's website. So I'm here to receive a link from them, then yeah, you'll get it. Okay, once I received it, you'll get it. Okay, so let's begin working on this part. So this part is very simple. What you do, you just click 2, and then here we are going to put an image. Okay, not this one, it's an image. What happened with the Elementor? Okay, an image, and then we will select it, upload, desktop. Let's look for Deep Africa. So we insert it. That's how it's going to look like. Okay, yes, that's how it's going to look like. Now from here we have this, so I'm going to copy this one from here like that. So here we are going to put text editor like that. Then we paste this one here, we update. You'll be updating all the time. You need to be updating because you never know, sometimes power goes off and then your work will just disappear like that. Okay, that's how it is. Then we continue. We have this part here, and then this one, and then the button. So that part will come here, and then it is called icon. icon list. So we write this one. So list number 1 is saying what? Free SSL. So I'm going to select this free SSL, copy it, it's there. And then another list, you are going to duplicate this one. Another list, it is 99.9 uptime. That's how the company is very fast. So we, then again, let me actually delete this one there, and then we are going to dupe another one. We are going to dupe another one. So this one is free domain included. Actually they offer free domain. I'll paste it there, and then I duplicate this one again. Let's see here, fast and reliable hosting. Alright, click here. So the last one is free website migration. Okay, then once we have done this, just need to customize icon, the color of icon. Let's put it like that. When they hover on it, when someone brings a mouse like this, let's make it this way. Yes, like that. And then text color, I can decide to be like this. Yes, like that is okay. Then we update it. Then the next thing, we have this one. We copy this like so, and then I'll just duplicate this part. Duplicate. Then I'm going to take this one here, and then this one I'll just edit it like that. I update. So the next thing we need is the button. Okay, it's the button. So we come and click here, and then we do our button down here, and then we reference get started. So we type here get started, and then you remember our color, click here, our color, text color, we take this one, and then the background, we take this one. Yes, let's say over, when someone overs the background, it turns this way, you see. Okay, now here we the border radius, let's make it 20, like so. We update. Let's check our website. That's how it is now, but we still need to add an image here. So we have this part. So this one need an image. We click an image here, then we go and select our image. I have an image somewhere on the download. I have an image on the download. Yes, wait it to upload, and then we will insert. Okay, so this is how it is. So but I'm going to click on this part here. We come to here to vertical alignment, we put it in the middle so that it can be the same. Then the next thing we need to do, we need to put some padding. So we click here on advanced padding. On top, let's say we'll link it on top. Let's put on top 60. Oh, sorry, not that part. it is the complete one, here. Go to advanced, we unlink top 60 and then the bottom 60, so that we can give our website a breathing space. Okay, let's update it. Let's continue. We have this part here, pro surfaces. Okay, pro surfaces. In fact, I could have saved this part so that we can just bring it here, but I will show you how we can decide it. It's very simple. Quickly, we will do it quickly. So let's continue. Okay, we click here, select one, and then here we just text, then we copy, click here, we type, paste here, pro surfaces, select our color, this one, and then the typography, we are going to increase the typography. Let's put this one 30. 30 looks small. 50. Yes, 50 is good. Then after that, we need to get a divider. Put a divider here. Solid color, we are going to select our color. This is the color, and then the weight should be 4, like that, and then we reduce it. Make it 15, like that. Okay, we update. Then after that, we put another section. This time we put 3 of them. Okay, now there is no wasting of time here. We just click here. We have already understood what we are doing. So put an image, not a video, it's an image. We select it. We will just repeat our images. Okay, we repeat our previous images. So I'm going to put this one. Let me put this one this time round. In fact, let me delete this one first, then I will show you. This image, we put image box. Yeah, it's an image box. Put this one, select our image. Let me put this one. Like that. Okay, and then this part, we say, it says what? Responsive, eye-catching blog website. Okay, so content, heading, we update. Remember our color. Our color is this one. Okay, we update it again. I think I'm not going to use a lot of writing here. You understand. Okay, you understand what's supposed to be done. So this is the part I'm going to put, this one and this one. So here we will leave it with those wordings. So the next thing we need to do, I need to put this 2 here, and then I'll write here. Here I'm going to put an heading like that. Then we are going to type starting from. Like that, starting from. Then we are going to typography. We will reduce it, let's say 16. Yes, like that, starting from. Then you remember our color. We select it that way. Typography, we can transform this one. Transform it to uppercase. No, that one is not good. And then this one, it is see detail. Okay, so this one we are going to put a button. Click a button here, see details. Remember our button color, style, background color. This is the thing we are going to select. And then text color, this one. Okay, even this one we can leave it like this, there's no issue. We can leave this one like this. Actually, let's leave it like this so that we can speed up. Time is running. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, we are going to put the background. So from here I'm going to click here, and then we go to advanced, go to border, border shadow. Then we are going to use our color, this one. Then we update. Okay, let's check our website how it looks. Yes, there is some small mistake here. Let me fix it. Let me fix this one. It is advanced, and then we say padding. Update. Also this one, go to padding. Yes. Let's check our website. Yeah, at least to have some small gap here. Okay, this is how it is. So what we need to do is just very simple. We just duplicate this one, duplicate, bring it here, we duplicate again, bring it here like so, and then we are going to duplicate, bring it here, we duplicate also this one. I told you it is simple. We will finish it like that. Okay, then we are now going to change the image style. We are changing just only the image. I'm going to put this image. My images look somehow not that good. Let me check this one. Not really. I have a lot of images. I can put any. Yes, that one. Okay, let's change this one. Let me say I'll put this one. Let's say it is like that. Okay, and then this part here, if you check here, it is search engine optimization. So I'll select this, copy, then I'll come to this one, boom. Then also I'll come to this one. That one is what? Graphic design and branding. Copy this one, and then I'll paste here. Then we update. Then there is one thing at the back of this, the background, we need to put a color. Not really there, it is this part here. We need to put a background color, so we are going to select it. Yes, like that. also this part, let me copy this, even we can include it here. So also this part need to have the same. Yes, let's see our website now how it looks. Right, yeah, this is how it's supposed to be now, but we have some small issue. We need to put some padding. We need to put some padding on top. So let's say this one, link top 60, and then this one, link bottom 60. Then we update. Let's reference and see what we have done so far. Yes, exactly, this is what we need to do. That's how it's supposed to be. So you see we have created this part, and then we have created this part. Now let's reference. We have this part now. You remember we copied this one? It is simple. So we just copy these words from here, then we will come here, then we will enter call to action. Yes, we are going to delete this one, and then these wordings we will put ours like so, and then we are going to put a button. Okay, so the beauty of this one, we already have a button here. We will just duplicate this, and then we will drag down. Yes, just put it here, then we center it, and then we will write make my website. Okay, so we click here, it's here, make my website. Okay guys, actually I need help from you. I need you to click that subscribe button now. I'm waiting for you guys. Click that subscribe button so that we can defeat YouTube algorithm. We continue. Let's check. That's the end. Okay, let's check our website. Voila. Okay, and if anybody needs any service, web design service, SEO, graphic design, you can just contact me. I'll do it for you. Okay, with a cheap price. I will not put a lot of money. Okay, so we continue with our tutorial. So let's go to resources. Now the resources are here. Okay, in fact, let's do a secret here. Let's save this part again. Say this one RCS. Okay, like that. So if we see this part, we have the header, and then we have this resources, and then we have this call to action. Okay, the problem what I forgot to write, here our resources, our recommended resources, but in this website now we are going to include it. So let's continue. Okay, we have finished that part. So we get out of the dashboard, then we go to pages, then we go to resources, we edit. There is one thing I want to tell you guys. This video we are going to do it in 2 parts. Okay, so for you to receive the second part of this video, you need to subscribe and you click on that notification bell, so that when I finish the second part you will be notified when it is ready. Okay, so go ahead and do it. Go ahead and subscribe now. Alright, now let's now build this part. So we click here, edit with Elementor. Alright, so we will click on this one, my template. So we insert the header. Yes. Now this is our header. Let it propagate first. This is our header. So if you see here on this one, it says what? Best hosting in Kenya. The best hosting company in Kenya. Actually, I'm supposed to add a company. Okay. Right. So this one we delete this one. Also we delete this one. We also delete this one. All of this we delete. Then we remain with this one. So we take the title, paste, the best web hosting company. The best hosting company in Kenya. Company in Kenya, like that. So we center it. Then the next thing, we have this text, so we copy all of it. Again, come here, then we text editor, put text editor there, then we paste our text here. We center it also. So the top one, we need our color. Now this one we are putting it white, like so. And then we go to typography, click on typography, put this one 50. Is it 50? Let's check. Yes, let's say 50. And then the weight, let's put it let's put 900, like that. And then also this one, we're changing also this one to be white. And then go to advanced. Let me go to advanced. Then this one, length, like this. We say right, let's put 100, and then the left also 100. Okay, let's say 150. 150 I think will be okay. Let's say 120. Still. Let me just put 100. Let me put 100. Yes, let's do it like this, 100. And then the text here, typography, let's select pop-in. Yes, it will be like that. Let's use it like that. Then I'm going to change the image. Let's change the image. Let's check the image how it looks. Okay, it's that one. Okay, let's change the image now. Let's change the image. We upload it, select, we go to download. It is this one. Insert. We wait it. Okay, we insert it. Okay, this is how it is. So we bring here, it is center, like that. Attachment, repeat, no repeat. Then we say cover. Yeah, this is how it is. Then we are going to remove this part here, okay, as we did earlier on. So I'll come out to shape divider, bottom, then I'll select none, like that. and then we go to background overlay, opacity. Let's do this like that, then we update it. Okay, let's check our website now. Yes, that's how it looks. Okay, alright. Even at times I can remove the red color. Let's just remove the red one. We clear it, let it be like that. Or how do you say? Let's return our red. Like that. Then we continue. So we have this best recommended resources. Okay, let me start by typing. In fact, I don't know why I'm going to repeat it, because we have already worked on it. But for you to continue learning, let me just repeat it. Okay, so we click on this part, select one, then I'm going to select heading, and then we will type here recommended. Recommended resources. Okay, then we will select our color. This is our color, like that. And then we will go to typography. We put this one 30. Let's say 50. I think 50 good. No, let's say 35. Yes, like that. Then after this, we can come here to this rubies, and then we will insert like that, and then we are going to duplicate this one, because we are going to make 3 of them, like so. Then let's check here. We have Deep Africa, we have Elementor, and then we have Divi. Okay, so this is simple. We are going just to click on this one, then here we are going to make an image. We select an image. We already have Divi, I mean Deep Africa there. Not like that really, so we delete this one. We are going to put image. It's an image box. I don't know why I'm rushing away from it. Like that, we insert like that, then we come here to 100, and then here we type here Deep Africa. So here we just copy from here. This is Deep Africa, paste, and then okay, no problem. I know what to do. So we come here. Yes, here. You can even do like this if you want, but I like it this way. And then spacing is okay, width is okay, opacity, content, we come here to content, we push it that way, and then the color, we select this color, that's our color, then we update. Okay, I don't want to bore you with or let's just copy. We'll copy this one like this, and then we come here to content, we paste this one here like that. It's just okay. Then we need to get a button. Okay, so we click here, and then we put a button. That's our button. Select our usual color. Text color is this one. The background color is this one, and then the border radius we put, let's say 30, or let's put, we can even leave it like that. Okay, like this also is okay. I don't see the problem with it. It's okay. but if you need to make it fancy, no problem, you can just learn more. Alright, so we click here and we type learn in capital letter, learn more, like that. So that's it, it is done now. So we need to put the background. Okay, so I'll click on this one and then go advanced, border shadow. We select our color like that. You can leave it like that if you want, and then we will duplicate, actually duplicate, bring it here, duplicate again, bring it here, and then this one duplicate, here. So we duplicate this one like that. Then here we need now to change this one. We upload, select, this one I think is on the desktop. Take this Elementor, we copy, we insert it, like that. So this one also, select this one, upload, select, DV, like that. So there, I don't know, there is a problem. I don't know why this one is not becoming good the way we are expecting it, but I'll work on it now. Click here to advanced, then right, let's put this one 60. No, let me link them. Top 0, bottom 0. No, that one doesn't look good actually. Let's delete it. Let's delete this. Let's make it like this. So we click on this style. I think this one will do like this, but my image, this image for the logo of DIF Africa is very small. It's not the same as this one. So for you, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to make everything to be the same. Okay, you are supposed to make everything to be the same, but for now we will do it like that. So here we will click here and then we go to padding. On top let's put 60, and then on bottom also we put 60, like so. And then the bottom part we will just click here and then we insert this one. That. It's still inserting. Let me cancel first. There is a part here I've seen. Yes, like this. That's how it's supposed to be. Then we will just come. See this one? Let me build your website. Select this one. We copy it. Then we delete this. then we get a button. Okay, we have a button here. Can just duplicate this, and then we bring it down here, then we put it in the middle. Let me try put something here. Okay, actually this is what I wanted. So what I will do, we are going to delete this part. I'm going to delete that part, then I'm going to drag this part here like this. So we can change this photo. We put DV, then also this one, we change this photo, we put Elementor, we change this one, and then we bring Deep Africa here. It's just the same thing. Okay, so let's now reference our website, the way it looks like. So let's refresh this one and see. See, we have built that website. So I showed you, so far what I've showed you how to build all this website like this up to there. Okay, I've shown you how to put this page also together like this, then our resource page. Okay, now tomorrow we will work on tutorial, pro services and contact. That's why I was urging you earlier on to go and subscribe and click on notification bell, so that when I finish this tutorial you will be notified, so that you can continue from here. So guys, if you like this video, please, I urge you to subscribe, like it and share with your friends and family. Thank you, and my name is Chola. We meet again.